Hello, my name is Kason. Today I'll be making Formula One V8 engine or Formula One noises with my mouth in my bathroom and hope my parents are mad at me, part 4. And I've never done like a Formula One sound before, so you'll see how good I am. First I'll show you a clip of what it sounds like, and then I'll copy it. Alright, my turn. How am I going to do this? Maybe should I start with the startup? I guess I'm going to attempt to start up. I don't know. I guess we just do a zoom by or driving. How was that?